Problem 2, Zeno's dichotomy paradox revisited. Let's first explain the Zeno's dichotomy paradox. A man is walking with a fixed speed v towards the wall. Zeno said, in order for the man to reach from point A to the wall, the point B, he first has to at least cover half of the distance between the wall and himself, which means first he has to reach to the point A1 as shown here. Then he has to at least move to the point which is halfway between A1 and B. That is, he has to reach the point A2 shown here, and so on and so forth. So Zeno argued that motion is not possible because the man will just keep on halving his current distance from the wall. That's why this is called Zeno's dichotomy paradox. However, we argued saying that this dichotomy paradox stands invalid because if you consider the total distance the man travels, that will be equal to d by 2, and second time he travels d by 4, then d by 8, and likewise. This is a convergent series and the sum is finite equal to d, which means the man is covering finite distance and hence it will take finite time to reach the wall. Now in this problem, Matt is still thinking Zeno is right, so he's constructing another argument using different kind of distances to prove that the motion will not be possible. Matt is arguing that instead of taking distances d by 2, d by 4, first the man travels distance d by 3. Then he travels distance d by 5. Then he travels distance d by 7, and so on and so forth. Just like we argued in the problem of Achilles and tortoise, this distance now, call it as nu, is d by 3 plus d by 5 plus d by 7, diverges and it is infinite. Hence Matt concludes, yes, motion is not possible because to reach the wall you'll have to cover infinite distances and your speed is finite. So you'll reach the wall only in infinite time, which means motion is impossible. Basically, this is a trick question. Matt made a very silly mistake. When the man covers d by 3 and d by 5, d by 7, such kind of distances subsequently, Matt is basically assuming that he will just crush into the wall and keep on traveling. Why? Because if you just add few of these distances, d by 3, d by 5, d by 7, d by 9, d by 11, and we can quickly check that. That is d by 3 plus d by 5 plus d by 13 plus d by 15 turns out to be 1.02 times d, which means just after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 steps of covering distance in this manner, he would have already hit the wall. So there is no need of continuing the motion in this manner because otherwise he would be crushing inside the wall. Hence the argument of Matt is wrong and the Zeno's dichotomy paradox stands again invalid and the motion is possible.